If you've watched an episode of Traitors, then you know that sometimes the need to pull together and the need to betray can come into conflict. And this poses the question, is human nature selfish or altruistic, competitive or cooperative? Let's say we were in fact born altruists, then institutions and hierarchies would be unnecessary, but if selfishness prevailed, then strong control is essential. Or do we lie somewhere in the middle? We have to look at the circumstances in which humanity evolved. Despite the wide variation in sociality among the species we are most closely related to, like chimps or bonobos, one thing is consistent. Where there is social rank, aggressive dominance is the winning attribute. But our ancestors did something unseen in other primates. They domesticated themselves, as early people evolved more complex social structures. And that saw two things happen. One, the elimination of alphas, and two, selection against the human trait of aggression. And this resulted in humans becoming more cooperative and their societies becoming more egalitarian, or so we would like to think. So how did we get here? A society which is so blatantly unequal, with huge amounts of power and money concentrated among a small number of people. Perhaps we were never egalitarian. Some researchers argue that humans are not egalitarian by nature, but that living in these small close-knit groups of hunter-gatherers, as people did before the dawn of agriculture, suppressed our tendencies to form dominance-based hierarchies. So what could be another explanation for our descent into inequality? One belief is that our ancestors eliminating socially dominant alphas had the adverse effect and instead encouraged a new kind of intelligence to come to the fore, one much more manipulative and skillful, called Machiavellian intelligence. Evolutionary biologists suggest we have a cooperation dilemma. There are situations where it is in our interest to work with others, and there are situations where it's not. And in this instance, we develop the ability to hide selfish, competitive, or exploitative intentions whilst maintaining the appearance of a cooperative nature. In other words, have we evolved to compete in a cooperative world? The answer would have profound implications for how we aim to structure society.